Quick Revit for beginner number 2. Revit add shortcut. Before we start to working, we will create shortcut to make our time more valuable. Go to View tab and choose User Interface. Then click Keyboard Shortcut from drop-down menu. Find the menu that you want to add shortcut in search bar. For example, we will add 3D View shortcut. Type 3D in search bar and all menu with 3D will showed up. Choose the 3D View menu. Type shortcut in press new key box. Click Assign. Click OK to finish add shortcut. Now try the shortcut.
Subscribe, like and share if this video useful. Thanks for watching.